Hey, we are back, y'all. You've done it. You did it. You've made it to the end. Please, let's finish strong together. The greatest thing is that we've actually already done bits of this lesson before together, especially if you had Learning Lab with me. We dove in real deep, and we're going to do that again. This requires lots of critical thinking and analyzing, which is something that y'all are exceptionally good at. You are one of my strongest classes I've ever had in doing that because I think you like the thrill of being a detective, and I love that. So let's not waste any more time. Let's just jump on in. You can follow along with my cursor. Here's our goal today to be able to use information from both the pictures and the words in a text, because by doing that, it helps us understand what we read even better. If the author puts a photograph, an image, a picture, a map, any of those things in a text, it's important. And guess what? It holds information. So you always want to stop and analyze it. Okay. So let's read. Text use words and illustrations or pictures to provide information in a passage. Illustrations can also include photographs or maps. Maps are drawings that show the cities, roads, rivers, and other details of an area. By thinking about the words and pictures, you will better understand what you are reading. You can use the information from both the words and the pictures to tell what you've learned. Look at this page about campgrounds at Pleasant Lake. What do you learn from both the words and the map? Okay, so switch your brains over here. On your sheet, you have this graphic organizer that says, look again at the page, complete this chart to show what you can learn from both the words and the map. I'm going to be working over here with you, okay? So it's all on one page. Now, I notice the words first. Those stick out to me, so I want to read those. It says, at Pleasant Lake, you can enjoy boating, fishing, water skiing, and swimming. Ooh, the lake is located 15 minutes from Mount George. Campsites are available. Well, already I know that it tells me what I can do at Pleasant Lake. Guess what? It also told me how many minutes away from the mountain it is. So I can put that how many minutes away from the, because what if I wanted to go hiking? It also gives me the phone number, some little details like that. But here's where it gets spicy. Let's jump in. I'm going to extend this so you can see and talk about what the map shows. This is where you have to be a critical thinker. You've got to be a deep analyzer, which you're good at. I right away notice something from science, my compass rose. It tells me what direction things are going. I also see some labels over here. Here's the mountain, here's the lake. It doesn't just tell me how many minutes away, but this tells me how many miles. So the map tells me how many miles from the mountain to the lake. Awesome. What else? It also shows me where I can camp. It also shows me, here, I'll circle these for you. It also shows me where I can camp. I could put that down. Tells me the name of the highway on the map. Tells me how many miles. Guess what? If you're really spicy and good at using a compass rose, which if you're not yet, that's okay. You could figure out the direction from Pleasant Lake to the mountain, which would be what? Northeast. So I could say Mount George is northeast of Pleasant Lake. You could add probably 3 or 4 more things here. I'm excited to see those. Now, as you go on in your lesson, you are going to be analyzing the words and the pictures. Make sure that you're paying attention to these closed reader habits. We're going to jump in my next lesson and do this together so that you have an idea, because as we go on this week, you are going to be seeing some other maps. This one's my favorite. Anyways, I love you. I am so very proud of you. I can't wait to see what you do. Please call me this week with some of your answers. I haven't had anybody call me this week, and I've got prizes waiting for the people that do. Love y'all. Can't wait to chat soon.